actually the provincial leader of Izwi-Labantu Forum. So what actually brought us here today is what's currently taking place in the agricultural sector, right? The agricultural sector has been made slush funds of the monies by officials, right? And for the officials, millions are withdrawn by government. But for who are we asking exactly? Like the association of third-party organizations that is benefiting. The farmers are actually asking for a list to see who is the beneficiaries of these monies and who is actually benefiting from it. Because clearly it shows today with the outcry that the people has cried out, we have called meetings has been cancelled and they are calling it postponement. But to date we haven't found or gotten another date or time. So the farmers are fed up, they are tired, they have reached their wit end. And we as Izwi-Labantu Forum is standing here today to say that the farmers will be heard. Because if it's not for the people, by the people, and then it should not be for anyone else.
Melissa, just give us an idea of who is present here today. I know we have farmers from across the country. We spoke to some farmers from the Free State, from the Northwest. And is this a nationwide problem?
So this is a nationwide problem, and therefore different organizations came together as well as political parties. As you can see, SACP is visible. We have Patriotic Alliance. We have people from different organizations, but as Izwi-Labantu Forum, we are the voice to the voiceless, and it's non-political.